All right, y'all, we're gonna make some snow ice cream. Start with 8 cups of snow.
On snow.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, hurry up. We gotta get him back in the house before it melts. This has gotta be quick so you can get it done. Come on, let's go. Get those off. 1 cup of milk.
Ooh.
And we'll just do a little dab vanilla extract. Put that in there. 1/3 cup of sugar. Looks so cool. And then just a little pinch of sea salt. Get all that mixed together to the consistency that you like. We currently have about 8 inches of snow here in Middle Tennessee.
Which
What's-
does not happen often.
Yeah, we got a year's worth of snow in one day. How about y'all? Let me know where you're located. Are you getting snow, or do you live in Florida and it's like 80 degrees there? I want to hear from everybody. What was your snowfall? How's the weather? How's your electricity? How's the heat? Okay, this is getting pretty good consistency. I'm from South Carolina, so where I grew up, we didn't have much of any snow. This is a new thing for me. First time making snow ice cream. Some people know it as snow cream. Is that what you called it?
Mm-hmm. Snow cream.
Have you ever made it before?
I've never made it before, but this looks so yummy.
It does. Okay, I think that's a pretty good consistency. I want to get it before it melts. Of course, we're going to put it in the freezer, whatever is left. It's just so awesome. It comes from nature. The Lord himself provided. All right, so let's get our little scoop. Dump it in there. And then I have a little unorthodox ice cream topping that I want to do that I think is so good. We're going to put some strawberry preserves over the top.
Whoa.
Straight from Loveless Cafe here in Nashville, Tennessee. Whoa, that is really good.
Is it?
I can't believe I'm eating snow right now. Oh man, and with that jam, it's really good.